Howdy y'all, it's your friend Aaron Cairo, the sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a board slide. So you're going to find a good bench, hopefully it's buttery like the butter bench. Push up to it, pop, slide, and then roll out. Before you learn how to do backside board slides, you obviously want to have ollies and front side 180s down, because that is the direction you're going to be popping. So you want to keep your feet in the regular ollie position. Approach the bench at a slight angle. And that's how you're going to do the roll up. So again, just regular ollie position, just like that. So the backside board slide on a bench is a little bit different than on a rail, because on a rail, you would be on both sides, but on the bench, your wheels are actually going to be sliding on top as well. So you have to get used to this concept, and the top of the bench or the ledge is going to have to be slippery enough for those wheels right there to slide across. So you're going to approach at a slight angle, pop your board, slide your foot up, turn your head and shoulders just a little bit, just like you would a frontside 180, but not fully, and then turn your legs onto the ledge. Land about right there, not quite in the center, but a little bit further down with your front wheels on the edge. And then you're going to push hard with your front foot, slide. And then as you get to right here, you're going to want to bring this foot forward, push off in this direction, land again straight, and then roll away. So you want to make sure you don't have too much speed, because then you're going to flip back. And you also want to make sure you don't have too little speed, because then you're going to stick and fall forward. Both of them very uncomfortable. One you're going to land on your face, the other one you're going to land on the back of your face. So let's do a few more board slides just to show you. So here we go, approaching the obstacle. Give it a couple pushes. You want to get a good amount of speed to slide your wheels on top. Pop. Make sure your wheels are sliding again. And then turn your shoulders forward and then roll off. When you very first start on these, you can slide just a little piece of the bench. Doesn't have to be the whole thing. That's going to be obviously very fast. So make sure you have your balance down. And then from there, you can move on to sliding further and further. And the further you slide, the more you have to make sure that the top is slippery enough. So if this is on a cement ledge, you have to have the top waxed. This is a super sick trick. It's one of the basic ones, so it's a really good one to have down. It's also very fundamental to a lot of the other tricks, so it's just really important. This trick is covered in extreme detail in Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 3. It also has all of the gradients on the grind and slide tricks. So I highly recommend getting that video. It is the best way to learn them all and go through the whole sequence. So definitely click right there and check it out. Thanks a lot for your guys' help and support. You guys are the best.